So, over 50s sheltered schemes are changing, and today we're here in Ringland in Newport at a scheme by Codi, just learning about what's changing here and seeing some of the great developments.
Wellwood's been on a significant journey in the last 2 years. We started off with ORP 3.3.
We started this project because we had a lot of leaks in the building. The pipework wasn't sufficient. So we met with the contractors, and following that I arranged resident meetings so they could be involved from the start to try and understand what was happening. We brought the contractors in, Jamie, health and safety from Codi in as well, and they engaged with the tenants. The main one was Gibson's, because they could try and explain everything that was happening.
We fitted a Solshare unit here at Wellwood. We're familiar with the system. We've fitted numerous Solshare units at various sites. What that does is it distributes the kilowatts evenly between all the flats. They all benefit from the same system. It's one of the biggest ones in Wales here at Wellwood. The second phase of the works we've carried out at Wellwood is the heat network upgrade. So following kind of regulation changes, we've invested and future-proofing the scheme for heat pumps and the infrastructure that might work here at Wellwood, so it's less disruptive in the future. But what we've actually done now is fit in new gas boilers, a BMS system and heat interface units to each individual flat. This gives better control for the residents. It's easier for maintenance. As part of Codi Group, resident engagement is really important. That's part of the customer journey. We've had numerous resident engagements, but that's one of the great things around extra care schemes and care homes is that it does feel like it's easier sometimes. We still have those challenges.
What was important to them was they were losing cupboard space. So what they agreed, Codi agreed that they would build an alternative cupboard in their hallway. So they're all quite happy with that. They haven't obviously seen the benefits of this yet because the project is ongoing. So then, the hot water was there before. They don't realise because of service charge. What would be beneficial for them is if their service charges do reduce and they're seeing less leaks and less upheaval in the building.
We've had engagements around controls of the system, and so residents the controls that works for them and us as well. When the work finishes, we don't just stop with the engagement. We look at post-project reviews. We continue the engagement with the residents. There's always room for improvement with any contract, and it's definitely lessons learned from Wellwood House.